Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you've got a Turkish restaurant, then keep your eyes peeled on this video because today I'm going to be showing you how to use our platform to build a website for your business. Now, if you just randomly come across this video today, you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet. Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with various side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to hit to the top and I'm going to search for my markets, Turkish restaurants. Let's go ahead. Awesome. I'm now going to go ahead and select the template. Let's Hamati set a few basic details about our Turkish restaurant so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your Turkish restaurant is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's leave type of business as restaurants and let's move along. And look at that, Marcy Sites has literally generated a simple website for my Turkish restaurants in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality as you can see. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the Turkish delicious meals you're serving up and you want to showcase them on your website. You want to make some changes to that content. You can do that. So, today, that's exactly what I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom, making my way through so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the service works. How easy it is to use the platform. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either to help you with this either. So let's get cracking. I'm going to click on update section at the top and go ahead and put in my company email address. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website, so I'm going to click on show email on site. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my phone number as well. And now go ahead and put in my physical location of my restaurant. Awesome. The great thing about our physical location displayed at the top left hand corner, when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's go ahead and move on to update social links. Now, over here, you can put in the various social media platforms that your business is active on. The icons will be displayed at the top as well as the bottom, so your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's move on to the next section, update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet for your business, I do recommend you check out canva.com. You'll find a few free great options on the website. Logo has been uploaded. If you want to make changes, click on the little pencil. You can crop it so it fits better into the section. You can add filters, decorate it, frames, rotate it, zoom in, etc. Awesome. I've now cropped it so it fits slightly better into that section at the top. Upload is now complete. So I'm now going to go ahead and click on save. Let's check it out. That looks fantastic. Very happy with this. Now with multi-sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors used throughout your website for you. Basically, we wanted to make it as easy as possible when it comes to launching a simple website for a Turkish restaurant. Perhaps these colors don't go with your menu, your logo, and the signage used throughout your restaurant and you want to change it. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket on the bottom right hand corner, no coding necessary. Let's go and scroll through and find something a little bit more neutral. That actually looks really fantastic. I might select that one, but let me look at one or two more pages. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. That also looks really great, as well as that one. As I said, I'm very spoiled for choice here. I think I'm going to go ahead and select the grey one. I can change it at a later stage. Let's move on to update image. Now over here, you can browse your device and upload all the amazing images of the delicious meals you're serving up. Or you can search through the photo library, multi-sites, or automatically search for Turkish restaurants. However, you can play around with the terms a little bit, the keywords you're searching for. So I'm going to search for Turkish meal and see what pops up. Let's go ahead and look at one more page. Turkish meal. Let's try Turkish food and see what pops up. There's lots of amazing looking pictures here. Let me look at the first page. Great. So here's some really suitable images. I'm going to go ahead and think I'm going to select that one. That looks really tasty. Lovely. Love it. Let's head on over to update content. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle. Button currently says order online. Maybe you don't offer online ordering system. Maybe you just want us to say view our menu. I'm now going to go ahead and choose our link. You can link to another website. So if you offer our online ordering system with a third party, you can do that. Otherwise, link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. Otherwise, you can upload a PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do just that. I'm going to upload my Marty menu for all the customers that like to look at menus before they even get to the restaurant and pre-select what they're having. I know I'm not the only person to do that, as I do that at every restaurant I go to. So this is for you guys. If your customers now click on that menu, that button will automatically take them to your menu. If you need to make changes to your physical location and update your hours for your business, go ahead and do so over here. So they will be displayed in this section. Over here, again, pre-written content for you button can link to various places. Maybe you can do a different alternative to this button as you've already got view our menu at the top. So maybe you can just say get in touch or contact us today in this button or link to online ordering if you offer that option. We've now made our way into the batter section where the tasty looking meal is. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how you got into the industry, how long you've had your Turkish restaurant for. Maybe it's a family run business passed down from generation to generation. Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story. If you've got a custom domain for your Turkish restaurants, go ahead and click on connect your domain. And say I already have a domain, go through the various steps in linking it. It's super simple. If you're struggling, you can add Marty Sites as a user and we will link your domain for you. Now, if you're in the startup process of your business, you don't have a domain yet and you really want one, click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Marty Sites platform. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your Turkish restaurants. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the service is only going to cost you $9 a month and there is a free trial available for 7 days. Now, the great thing about the multi-sites free trial is you don't have to put your credit card details in like most other online services these days. So click on the link below this video and give it a go.